Sorry. Okay. Hello everyone, it's me, Blue, and how has your week been? I've started swim camp and we went to a water park, which is pretty cool, and this past week's been exciting. I've been getting more into origami and it's pretty cool, so I thought maybe this video should be an origami video. So I've been testing origami and stuff, and sometimes when it's supposed to look like this, it comes out like this. But I've come up with 3 origami things that I think would be cool hanging in a bunch, like in your room or something. So origami room decor. So I'm gonna make an origami crane, a heart, and a star. So let's get started. First you'll need scissors and decorative paper. The first thing we're going to be making is an origami crane. Start with a square piece of paper. Fold it vertically. Horizontally. And diagonally both ways. So now your paper has a bunch of crazy folds in it. Fold both corners into the middle, and you should have almost like a diamond shape. Now this part is a little tricky to explain, so just watch. Okay, so now you should have a thing that almost kind of looks like a kite. Turn your kite to the side. Pull the piece of paper up and bend it over so you have almost a shape that looks like a head. Do the same to the other side and make it shape it so that it looks like a tail. And that's it for the crane. Next, we're gonna make an origami heart. Start with a strip of paper. Fold the corner down so you have a triangle shape. Do this halfway through the strip of paper. When you get to the bottom, fold the outside and tuck it into the pocket you have made with the triangle. Use scissors to shape the sides so it looks like a heart. Bend the top part in so it has that heart shape and poof it up so it's 3D. And done. Now we're gonna make an origami star. Start with a strip of paper. Tie a knot in the end of your paper. Pull gently to tighten and then flatten it. Fold the end of the strip down and tuck it into the knot. Now wrap the other end of the strip around this pentagon you have formed, creasing it gently as you go. Keep wrapping until you're at the end of the strip. Then tuck the last bit of strip into the pouch. You should be left with a cute little pentagon. Now to make this pentagon a star, gently and slowly use your fingernail to press on the center of the edges, and the star should poof out. And then you're done. Make a bunch of these. Drive your parents crazy with a bunch of paper clippings all around your room. Attach them to a string, hang them up in your room, and that's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe and like and share with your magical friends. Shine on, everybody. Bye. Happy. Really? No, wait, keep that. That was that my dryer? Sorry. So let me start over.